Welcome to Education Forward, the podcast exploring the future of learning. I'm your host, Yash, and today we're diving into one of the most transformative topics in education today, AI and automation. I'm thrilled to be joined by Arjun, an expert in educational technology and AI implementation. Arjun, thanks for being here.
It's great to be here, Yash. This is such a crucial conversation happening in education right now. The potential for AI to revolutionize how we teach and learn is truly extraordinary.
Let's start with the big picture. We're seeing AI tools being integrated into classrooms at an unprecedented pace. From your perspective, what are the most significant benefits we're seeing from this integration?
The most exciting development is personalized learning at scale. AI systems can analyze individual student performance in real time, identify knowledge gaps, and adapt content delivery to match each student's learning pace and style. This means we're moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach that has dominated education for centuries.
That's fascinating. And what about the role of teachers in this new landscape? There's often concern that AI might replace educators rather than augment their capabilities.
That's a common misconception. The reality is that AI handles the administrative and repetitive tasks, grading, attendance, basic Q&A, freeing up teachers to focus on what humans do best: mentoring, inspiring critical thinking, and building meaningful relationships with students. It's about augmentation, not replacement.
Speaking of critical thinking, there's been significant discussion about AI's role in developing higher-order cognitive skills. How do you see automation supporting rather than undermining the development of these essential skills?
Excellent question. When implemented correctly, AI can actually enhance critical thinking by providing students with complex, real-world problems to solve while offering just-in-time support. The technology can simulate various scenarios, provide instant feedback on thought processes, and challenge students with increasingly difficult problems based on their progression.
Let's talk about accessibility. One of the most promising aspects of AI in education seems to be its potential to make learning more inclusive. Could you share some examples of how automation is breaking down barriers for students with different needs? Those are powerful applications. Now, I know many educators and parents have concerns about data privacy and ethical considerations. What safeguards and frameworks are being developed to address these legitimate concerns?
This is crucial. We're seeing the development of robust ethical frameworks that prioritize student data protection, algorithmic transparency, and bias mitigation. Many institutions are implementing strict data governance policies, ensuring that student information is anonymized and used only for educational improvement. The key is maintaining human oversight while leveraging AI's capabilities.
Looking toward the future, what developments in educational AI are you most excited about in the next 5 to 10 years?
I'm particularly excited about affective computing. AI systems that can recognize and respond to student emotions and engagement levels. This could revolutionize how we support student well-being and mental health. Additionally, we're moving toward truly immersive learning experiences through AI-powered virtual and augmented reality that can simulate complex environments for hands-on learning.
For educators listening who might feel overwhelmed by these rapid changes, what advice would you offer for getting started with AI integration in their classrooms?
Start small and focus on specific pain points. Perhaps begin with AI-powered grading assistants or personalized recommendation systems. The most important thing is to maintain a growth mindset. See AI as a collaborative partner rather than a replacement. Professional development and peer learning communities are essential for building confidence and competence with these new tools.
Arjun, this has been an incredibly insightful conversation. Thank you for sharing your expertise and vision for the future of AI in education.
Thank you for having me, Yash. It's an exciting time to be involved in education, and I'm optimistic about the positive impact these technologies will have on learners worldwide.
Before we wrap up, I'd like to dive deeper into some specific examples of AI tools that are making a real difference in classrooms today. Could you share some concrete examples of AI applications that teachers are finding particularly valuable?
Certainly. One of the most impactful tools I've seen is AI-powered writing assistants that provide real-time feedback on student essays. These systems don't just check grammar and spelling, they analyze argument structure, logical flow, and even provide suggestions for improving persuasive techniques. Teachers report that students are developing stronger writing skills much faster with this immediate, personalized feedback.
That's impressive. What about in STEM subjects? Are there specific AI tools that are transforming how we teach mathematics and science?
In mathematics, adaptive learning platforms are revolutionizing how students master concepts. These systems can identify exactly where a student is struggling, whether it's fractions, algebra, or geometry, and provide targeted practice problems with step-by-step guidance. The AI can even detect patterns in student mistakes and offer alternative explanations tailored to their specific misunderstanding. In science, virtual lab simulations powered by AI allow students to conduct experiments that would be too dangerous, expensive, or time-consuming in a physical lab.
Those examples really highlight the practical benefits. I'm also curious about professional development for teachers. How is AI helping educators themselves continue learning and growing in their practice?
AI is becoming an incredible professional development tool. We're seeing platforms that analyze classroom recordings to provide teachers with feedback on their questioning techniques, student engagement levels, and even the diversity of participation among different student groups. These systems can identify patterns that might be invisible to the teacher in the moment, such as which students consistently don't participate or whether certain teaching strategies are more effective with particular learning styles.
That's fascinating, turning the analytical power of AI back on the teaching process itself. As we think about the global implications, how is AI helping address educational disparities between different regions and socioeconomic groups?
This is one of the most exciting aspects. AI-powered educational platforms can provide high-quality, personalized instruction to students in remote or underserved areas, where access to qualified teachers may be limited. These systems can operate in multiple languages, adapt to local cultural contexts, and provide consistent educational quality regardless of geographic location. We're also seeing AI used to identify at-risk students early and connect them with appropriate support services before they fall significantly behind.